Welcome to Learn Deori Language with JPD. In today's lesson 3, we will learn some basic Deori sentences that can be used in everyday conversation. These simple sentences will help beginners start speaking Deori from the very first day. Let's begin. Igaba siga, good morning. Igaba sao, good afternoon. Igaba saku, good evening. Igaba siri, good night. Ayomua Jyoti Prasad Deori. Niomua damdi. Akongna dui. I am coming. Akengna dui. I am going. Habe. Eat. Nime. Drink. Halamai kobe. Come here. Houbumuai kero. Go there. Dudube. Sit down. Tagabe. Stand up. Thank you for watching Learn Deori Language with JPD. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share and follow the page. In the next lesson, we will learn more useful Deori sentences and everyday conversations. See you in the next lesson.